Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Do you guys see this box? Like, how did they know I love butterflies? And let me tell you, I am so happy that I ordered something extra that it had to be put in the big box so I can save this box. Because this, okay. So, in today's video, we are going to be doing my FabFitFun unboxing. Yes, it's that time again. And I honestly don't remember what I picked. So, this is going to be like a surprise all over again. So, we'll go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you guys how it look when you first open it. It's normally always packaged the same way. Always comes with the FabFitFun magazine, which also always includes the products that can be in the box. Also gives you, this is new. Okay, so this is a code for the FabFitFun, like to pass it along, as well as a HelloFresh thing, which I usually always give away. And then this is how the box is usually packaged, with some filling and paper. And then here, this is the inside of the box. This is so damn cute. Oh my god. Okay, let me move this to the side so we can get started. Okay. So here's the magazine. We have Gina Rodriguez. She plays on Life After. Oh no, maybe she played on Life After Jane. Not sure. I'm not really sure who that is, but this is how the book is. Of course, it always is a letter from the editor. This is all the products that can be in there. And then it usually goes through and like tells you about some of the products and how you can use them. Sometimes it even has some recipes in here, some workout stuff. They also have FabFitFun TV, so you can always like go on there for like stuff. And it looks like for this season's box, they usually always partner with a charity. They usually always partner with a charity, and this year is going to be Dress for Success. So that's awesome. And a lot of times, FabFitFun usually always partners with women-owned brands, which I think is cool because, you know, we need to uplift each other. So I'll show you the first thing I ordered that was extra was the Calpak packing cubes, and I got it in this, like, I think it was like sorbet color. So you get 3 of them. You get a small, medium, and large. It tells you the sizes there. And these are really cute. I can't wait to use them on a vacation. All right, so first up is the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. This is a treatment. Let's take it out of the box. This is formulated with collagen amino acids. This treatment will visibly minimize the look of lines and wrinkles. And this retails for $78. So I can't wait to use it. Squeeze out a little bit here. It's a nice thickness. I was like breaking out a lot, so I used Murad's, what is that called? Murad's the blue thing, which is for acne. Worked like a dream, okay? Worked like a dream. Okay, let's see. Next up on the docket, well, I'll briefly tell you about the packing cubes again. So these are in sorbet. Yeah, this is sorbet. They also had Tutti Frutti. It helps with packing, and these retail for $40. And I believe I paid $15. I paid additional $15 for these, so I think that's definitely worth the price. Next here, we have the Revive Light Therapy. This is a wrinkle treatment device. It will help stimulate collagen and elastin with this multi-wave light device. And this retails for $68. So in case you guys don't know, most of FabFitFun boxes, you'll be paying $49.95 plus tax. So already with that first product that I got, I've already, you know, paid for the box. So if you guys are ever interested, I say try it. You can always cancel if you don't like the stuff. Okay, so this is the light here, and you just put it on your skin according to the directions, leaving about a quarter away from the skin, and you leave it on there for 3 minutes. So I will be trying this. If you guys are interested in seeing me actually use this product, just let me know in the comments below, okay? But I definitely am glad that I got this. Everything that I'm talking about thus far, you get, like, all members can customize this. So this is something that I actually chose. So I'm excited to have this. Okay, so next what I got is the Gravity Weighted Sleep Mask. Now, I know, like, weighted blankets are a thing. And don't get me wrong, I do like a nice weighted blanket. I mean, I never had one, but my patients have, and I can see like the weight of them. But I wanted to try this to see if this would help me with my nighttime routine. I'm really trying to, you know, work on a nighttime routine, because as of right now, waking up for day shift is so hard. So I figure if I can really get my nighttime routine together, it would really help me when it comes to the morning time. So this is what it looks like. It comes with an elastic strap, and I guess this here is a zipper that has the contents in it. Yep. So that's what makes it weighted. So I guess if you needed to wash this, you could. Let's see. It doesn't say it on there. Okay, so you can't wash it. They just want you to use a damp cloth to wipe it off and let it air dry. And then per the package, this is 1 pound of distributed weight that you would feel pressure with. So I think that is cool. Okay, so this is definitely leaking. You can see on my hands, it's kind of shiny. But this is the Habanera Marianella. Look, me and the double L's, I can never get those. This is the Rosewood and Litsi Cubeba body oil with mangongo and pomegranate oil. Okay, it's 4 ounces. Here it says that you can help moisturize and replenish the skin. It's 100% pure oils and vitamins. Here's a list of ingredients here. And it is cold pressed. So yeah. So let's rub it on the skin here. Definitely gives me a nice little shine. Smells good. It has like a citrusy, but a tang. I don't know what that tang is. It could be the I definitely smell the argan oil that's in it and the mangongo, because I have hair products that has the mangongo oil in it. So I think this would be a hit. The AG Hair Care Fast Food Leave On Conditioner. And as you see, it does says moisturize, so I'll take that. It says dealing with frizzy or dry hair, use the leave-on conditioner to moisturize and help smooth split ends. And this is $24. Sorry, the oil that I just showed, that was this was $68. I have to tell you guys, this is $24. So it helps calms frizzy, thick, and coarse hair instantly. So with that being said, I plan on washing my hair. I'm going to try this and I'll let you guys know. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. It definitely has a decent consistency in comparison to like other hair products that I've tried. So it smells good. It smells very fruity. So I think I'm gonna like this. Okay, next, this is the This Works Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. This is a cream to help bring calm and relaxation while nourishing your skin. You should apply it after bathing or right before bedtime to help restore and nourish your skin while you sleep. It has shea butter in it, cranberry and camina sativa oils, along with some essential oils like lavender, vetiver, and chamomile to help improve your sleep quality. So, along with my weighted mask, I will be trying this to see if this helps. Let's go ahead and open this up. I can definitely smell like the lavender, the chamomile. My boyfriend's gonna be like, what the hell, Joya, what the hell? Definitely looks nice, so I will be trying this too. I'm actually, when I'm filming this on Saturday. I go back to work on Monday, so I will be trying those two things in conjunction with getting back onto my sleep regimen, and I'll let you guys know how it goes, okay? Next here, I have the Pūrlisse Watermelon Energizing 2-minute Polishing Peel, and this is infused with extracts of watermelon and lychee and glycolic acid, and this polish will leave your skin with a burst of freshness, and this retails for $35. Again, I forgot to tell you guys about the other one. This retails for $40. So this is the Pūrlisse. This retails for, what did I just say? $35. Now, I did use the overnight mask. I got a sample of that. What is that from? What is that brand? I can't think of the name of the brand. I'll insert it on the screen somewhere because I can't remember. But my skin definitely likes the watermelon. It definitely helped me with moisture. So I'm excited to try this. And it's only 2 minutes, which is perfection. And it says you can use it every day and you use it after you clean your skin. So I look forward to trying this. This is what the product looks like. And it definitely has like the little granules in it to help exfoliate. So I think this is going to be good. You can smell the watermelon, but it's not like overly powerful either. So I'll take that. But yeah, I'm excited to try this as well. And then last but certainly not least, I got the Chic and Tonic silicone straws. This includes 4 straws, a cleaner, as well as a carrying case. So I can take this with me on the go, and this retails for $15. So as you see here, It's called the Full Bloom Collection, so I'm assuming these are the colors. Let's take this out of the box. I think that is cool that it actually came with the carrying case as well. Oh yeah. And I'm assuming because it's silicone, you'll be able to like bend it easy. And I do love that they give you a brush cleaner, because goodness knows, like when you get a good straw and then it doesn't. Oh yeah. Let's put it in here and see. I may have to do this in threes. Yeah, figure. And that, where you want to go? Can you take it out? Boom. I like that. Like I was saying, I do like that it comes with a brush cleaner, because I remember before I even thought about maybe I should, you know, look into getting a brush cleaner, that I would have like reusable cups and I can never clean the straws properly. And if I didn't like rinse it automatically after I used it, it would get gunked up, and then that'd be the end of that straw. So that is the end of this video. I know when I was like looking through the things, one of the things that I can choose to have in my box, I wanted to really pick things that I wanted to use. So I think this came in the box already, but I definitely chose that. I definitely chose this. And most of the things that I do have in this, I really am looking forward to trying it. Like, you know, I could probably use these two together. I'm gonna use those two together when I get my skin right. You know, do that, put that on. You know, we're gonna get it. We're gonna get this. You know, our life together here. But yeah, I really am excited about trying these products. I have been using other products, like I got a Tula, I think it was a prebiotic face wash. I'm almost done that now, and I probably need to get another one because I really like it. I really am enjoying the products that I do have already from FabFitFun, and I'm looking forward to adding to my collection. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. I'll leave a link to FabFitFun down in the description box below, as well as each product and their price and what I paid total versus how much this box was worth. Hopefully you guys will consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.